Oh my God, you guys, Goyard's new limited edition jet black collection and deep sea blue navy collection. We're gonna go through all of the items, slower this time, 12 items, talk about prices, price predictions, and all 12 of them, okay? There's 3 luggage items, 3 small other goods, wallets and card holders, and 4 bags, and then 2 navy. Those are the 10 jet black, okay? So we're gonna go through each of them. So as you know, Goyard's doing this limited edition launch for the jet black collection as they go through Deeper Through the Sea 2024. Now they're doing dark blues and dark blacks in the abyss or whatever. So this is the 3 luggage items. The first is the trolley tote. This normally goes for 8,000 euros and 10,000 USD, roughly 9,400 plus tax. So I'm gonna guess this is a little bit over 11 or 12,000 dollars for this limited jet black collection. Beautiful with the red interior, 50 cm carry on. Would not check this ever. Beautiful bag. Goyard's known for their trunk making, and that's what their heritage is for, and that's why they're at the red interior, paying homage to that. Next is the 50 jet black Boston bag. The Boston bag is their kind of crossbody. It does not come with a strap. You need to buy an additional strap. This goes for around 3 or 4, I want to say. I think 36, I think is the price. I forget, but so this will probably be a little bit 4,500, I would say, 45 to 5,000 for this in the jet black. And the strap is an additional cost. You have to get that beautiful red interior, this jet black, muted, demure, quiet luxury. More than normal Goyard anyway. I think this is a great one to get, probably one of the best ones and probably one of the hardest ones. The other one is the bowling bag in the 45. So it's a little bit smaller, also a carry-on bag, also a day bag, weekend bag, gym bag, whatever you want to say. This also probably is around the 4,500 price point, I would say, because I think it's around 3. I have to look at the prices, but I'm just giving you guesstimates, okay, guys? If you want the actual prices, I will find them out. Okay. Next, we're gonna do the card holders. So there's the Victoire wallet in jet black. This goes for $880 usually in the US. So I would say this one is probably a little bit over 1,000 as well, maybe 1,100, 1,200. And it's the classic bifold wallet. Then we have the card holder, their classic card holder, this small, like this is the most common thing, probably the most affordable thing from the collection. That goes for $450. So I'm gonna say this is around $600-700, okay, for the card holder. Now we've got the Saint Pierre card wallet, which is their slim vertical wallet, kind of a card holder and a wallet mixed together. Be still beautiful, still great. I think this is my favorite one. This goes for $750, so I'm gonna say this is $900 to $1,000. Then we have the Ambassade document case in jet black. This is a briefcase. All of these bags are kind of geared towards, I think, their masculine men's collections. They're all a little bit more manly bags and whatever wallets, stuff like that. That's what they call it. That's what they've called it in the past. Anyway, this is how you would wear it. You can buy an additional crossbody strap for it, but it does not come with one. It is basically a briefcase with like 2 pockets on the inside and 2 pockets on the outside, I believe. This, I believe, is 3 now at Goyard, so I'm going to say this is like 4 to 5. Okay, roughly, for the most part, it's 25% to 40%, sometimes 50% markup on these limited edition. Belvedere, I think this is 3,300, 3,200, something like that. So I would say this is probably, in the MM size at least, this is a crossbody clutch, crossbody bag. The strap is not detachable, very popular. They've done this before. I would say that is 4,500 too. This is a Cisalphin backpack. It's a big, large backpack, huge backpack. Okay, very, like, fit all your stuff in it. I think it's a little bulky and stuff. You can also carry a top handle without the straps. This goes for 4,100. It was the last price I remember, so I'm gonna say this is like 5 to 6, okay? Next we have, what else is left? Talk amongst yourselves. Oh, the messenger bag, okay. So this one and the backpack for some reason don't have the red interior, which I don't really understand why not. So this one is the messenger bag. I think it's also kind of bulky. It's a big, bulky, like crossbody messenger bag. Again, 3-ish, so I would say 4 to 5. Okay, all these bags are already out. I know some of you asked. All these bags are already out and like on available. They did a pre-launch last week for the VIC clients, and then the launch was this week. They're probably, a lot of them are sold out. They'll probably do have another round on Friday or next week. Okay, next we have the Anjou with the horse seas in the deep sea collection. They're doing in the Navy. This is the Navy Goyardine. It's the same Goyardine they always have. I'm gonna say this is around 4, because they're usually around 36 for the Anjous, but price increases and stuff like that. Belvedere, 3 to 35 in the Navy with the strap. They've done both these bags in all the 3 colors that they've done earlier this year: turquoise, coral, and tan. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. I can answer any of the questions you have. Love you guys. Okay.